Welcome to the session on Engineering for Diversity and Societal Impact through Sustained Engagement in Programming. My name is Linford Goddard. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. I'm also the director of the Institute for the Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Access within the Grainger College of Engineering. Today, I'll be talking about some of our pipeline building and diversity supporting and social justice programming. On the front slide, you can see some of the activities that we do in the pre-college space. So this is the Worldwide Youth in Science and Engineering summer camps that's shown here. There's the Catalyzing Inclusive STEM Experiences All Year Round program, which is working with teachers and counselors at schools across the state of Illinois to develop STEM equity and STEM clubs at their schools. There's the Moral Engineering Program, which is a support program for students from underrepresented groups. There's the Illinois Scholars Undergraduate Research Program, which focuses on women and minority students. There's the Institute for Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Access, IDEA Institute, which has various task forces and committees to work on pressing issues. And there's the AE3, the Academy for Excellence in Engineering Education, of faculty members who are working on improving their instruction. So our pipeline programs start, actually they go all the way through kindergarten, but starting in this block diagram I'll talk about the middle school and high school programs. The first is the Chicago Pre-College Science and Engineering Program. This program is a family-centric mentorship and academic support for 7th to 12th grade students and their families. They meet on Saturdays throughout the school year to do rigorous engineering curriculum. There's the Worldwide Youth Science and Engineering Summer Camp, and this is an immersive one-week camp where students in high school can get to explore their engineering majors. There's also the Catalyzing Inclusive STEM Experiences All Year Round. This is a partnership with schools across the state of Illinois to develop teachers and counselors and also to provide STEM clubs at the school and opportunities for informal learning. There's the Genius program, which is the Grainger Engineering Young Scholars. This program is for 2 high school students and their teacher to do research with faculty and student mentors at the University of Illinois. So I'll have a legend. The solid boxes are programs that are specifically designed for diversity. The dashed boxes are not necessarily diversity as their top priority. However, they are aware of best practices in diversity, and they support students from diverse backgrounds. And then I have a color code for the different types of programs. So when students pass through these summer camps and these experiences, we look to enroll them directly through admissions, or they may transfer through community colleges. So we have partnerships with over 10 community colleges in the state of Illinois to do a transfer into our engineering degree. We also admit students through the ARISE program, which is the Academic Redshirt in Science and Engineering. This is a unique 5-year program designed to provide support, so mentorship, academic preparation, and financial aid and cohort building for low-income students from the state of Illinois. We have support programs, the Moral Engineering Program and Women in Engineering, which provide mentorship, support, and activities for minority and women students. We have many student-run support groups that help build community, create safe spaces, and do services. So some examples are the National Society for Black Engineers, the Society of Women Engineers, the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers, Out in STEM, the SACNAS, Society for Advancing Chicanos, Hispanics, and Native Americans in Science, Engineering Ambassadors, and then JEDI, which is Graduate Engineers Diversifying Illinois. We also have coursework. So in the first year, all engineering students will do Grainger Engineering First Year Experience, and this provides opportunities to see engineering in action and to build community. We do also offer within engineering two specific courses on social justice. So these are service learning courses where our students learn how to interact with teachers and professionals in Chicago public schools and also local schools. And some of these students in these programs do the mentorship for Chi-C and for WISE and System 365. We also have programs, the Illinois Scholars Undergraduate Research and AWARE, Accelerating Women and Underrepresented Entrepreneurs, that provide research and entrepreneurship opportunities for minorities and women. General support is provided by CARE, so the Center for Academic Resources in Engineering provides peer tutoring. Many of the students of color are serve as tutors for their peers. There's also Engineering Career Services, which provides internship and co-op opportunities, or it helps students connect to these opportunities by running career fairs and resume workshops. There's the International Programs in Engineering, which provides study abroad opportunities. And then we have a unique program called City Scholars. This allows University of Illinois students to do online and in-person classes in Chicago while simultaneously interning with a company in industry. Throughout our non-degree education, we span kindergarten all the way through graduate school in terms of this engineering education and social justice projects. So our college, the Grainger College of Engineering, and also the centers within the Grainger College of Engineering develop curriculum in many different fields such as healthcare, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, power and energy, quantum, bio, for learners at all different levels. In the graduate space, we also do direct admission. I couldn't fit it on this chart, but in addition to direct admission to our master's and PhD programs, we also have a special program called the Illinois Computing Accelerator for non-specialists. This bridge program, it helps students who graduated with a bachelor's degree in a major outside of computer science. It provides them a one-year experience so that they're prepared to enter a master's in computer science degree. For PhD students, we have a program called SURGE, Support for Underrepresented Groups in Engineering. This provides financial aid for students from underrepresented groups. We also have the MAVIS program. The MAVIS program has two different aspects to it. The first is a first-year PhD cohort building activity, or support group, I should say. And this program, they do book club readings, they do professional development, they help to train students to become successful in graduate school. In addition, there's the MAVIS Future Faculty program, which trains our a little bit more senior, so third through fifth year graduate students on becoming future faculty members. In the professional workspace, we have the IDEA Institute. This is the Institute for Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Access, for which I'm the director. We conduct research on diversity initiatives and policies. We help with programming and consultation with departments in planning their strategic diversity objectives. We work at all different levels. We study faculty, staff, students, K through 12 initiatives, and also public engagement initiatives. Complementing our research initiative in diversity, we have the Academy for Excellence in Engineering Education. This academy consists of faculty members and instructors, and also their student inputs in working to improve instruction through innovations both in pedagogy and through the use of emerging technologies, so the use and the development of new teaching technologies. And finally, there's the Engineering Faculty Leadership Forum. This forum is primarily newly promoted full professors who are interested in leadership. And so this is an excellent forum that in particular, it helped me to prepare to become the director for the IDEA Institute. So thank you for your time in watching this video. If you have any questions, you can reach me by email. My email is lgoddard, L-G-O-D-D-A-R-D, @illinois.edu. Thank you.